Hey guys, today we're diving into vectors, which are super useful in many areas of life. In physics, for example, we use vectors to describe the velocity of an object. It's not enough to say a tennis ball is moving at 200 kilometers per hour. We also need to specify its direction. Vectors have both magnitude and direction. We have to represent them with a direction line segment. For instance, vector MF starts at point M and ends at point F, while FM vector starts at F and ends at M. The direction of the arrow indicates the vector's direction. In print, the lowercase letter representing the vector is typically bold. Now, let's talk about equivalent vectors. For two vectors to be equal, they must have the same direction, length, and lie on parallel lines. If two vectors, like c and minus c, have the same length but opposite directions, they are called opposite vectors. To add vectors, we use the triangle law. For example, to add AB and BC vectors, you place them tip to tail, resulting in AC. This method also works for more than two vectors. For example, AB, BC, CD, DE, and resultant vector AE. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment. Have a nice day.